All right, let's make the last little detail for our elephant if you would like them. You can see Eddie is all put together now. All of his bits are sewn in. He has his toenails, he has his hair, he has his tail. Remember our cute little eyelids. We talked about eyelashes. There's lots of other details, and please add more details. I think he would be really cute if he had a sweater, but add as many details as you want to your cute little elephant. And with those details is a little flower, if you would like to add a little flower. So let me show you how to make a flower for your elephant if you would like them. You need 2 colors, any 2 colors that you want that make you happy. Any are good. You're going to start with one, and we're going to start with an adjustable ring, just like we've been doing. So again, do your loop, pull through, do your chain to make your adjustable ring or your magic loop. And I'm going to put 5 single crochets in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I get to the 5th one, before I pull through, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my color. Let me find this end. I'm going to change my color. So all I'm going to do is before I pull through, I have the 2 loops left on my hook. I'm just going to fold in the next color, whatever color you want, fold in another color, and I'm going to pull through with that color. Then I'm going to come and close my ring as I normally do. So hold your finger on top, and with your other hand, pull your ring nice and tight, nice and closed. And so now you have your little circle and you have a new color. You won't need the original color anymore, so you can fasten off. These can get used to weave it in later. And now we're going to make petals for our flower. These petals are very big and expressive, which are beautiful. And we're going to do each of these in the back loop only. So again, remember we have 2 loops for every stitch. We're only going to do in the back loop only. We're going to put everything we're going to do for these petals, which is a lot. I'm going to warn you, there's a lot of stitches, but you're all only going to go in this back loop. So to get started, you do a slip stitch, then you chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to do 3 trebles. That's yarning over twice, inserting your hook into the same space, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Makes a very tall stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Let's chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And we'll slip stitch to the same space. So all of that is going into one space. Makes a big petal. You repeat all of that. The slip stitch, the chain, the 3 trebles, again in the next space. So into the back loop only of the next stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, then 3 trebles, 1, 2, 3, 3 trebles, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch to the same space. Now you have 2 petals. Let's do it again. Slip stitch to the next back loop, chain 3, 3 trebles, that's yarn over twice. So that's 1 treble, 2 trebles. Give us some more space. 3 trebles. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch to the same space. You can see it's getting nice and plush and beautiful. Let's do it again. Slip stitch to the next space. Chain 3. 3 trebles. 1 treble. 2 trebles. 3 trebles. All right, give us some more space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch to the same space. All right, starting to look gorgeous. One more time. We have 1 more stitch left. So slip stitch to the next back loop, chain 3, 3 trebles, 1, 2, give us more space, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch to the same space. And with that, you can cut off a long tail. You can pull all of these nice and tight. I like to put this tail in the back. All right. And that is your pretty flower. You can make a couple of these and make a crown for your adorable elephant. You can go ahead and just sew it on here for a cute little extra. They're super adorable. You could add it anywhere you like to your elephant. But they're very, very cute. Just a little extra little something for your elephant, if you like it. All right, with that, you have everything you need to make this adorable elephant and make them your own. Make it the way you like it. If you do make this elephant, please, 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 please send a picture to us. We would love to see it. Please post it in the Marley's Minions Facebook group. We can't wait to see what adorable creations that you come up with. Till then, have fun crocheting, and I will see you soon. Bye, everybody.